Hi guys, welcome to most of you who are watching me now. Thank you, and please, before you go on, like, share, subscribe and comment. I'll appreciate. Just do that. Just share, just subscribe. Nitashukuru sana. So I know most of you have already joined and followed me and subscribed without even caring what indeed is this girl up to, but I appreciate, and here I am now. Some of you will be like, who is this girl? Who am I? Okay, basically my name is Toto Dolly, and I love watching, I love sleeping and I like working hard. And then I love football. Okay, basically my favorite kind of sport is football. I just enjoy the art of football. So today I wanted it to be just an introduction part, but I can't just leave you there. Siwezi tu waacha mkiwa mko zile za rada. I had an activity about 10 things. My friends who are watching me, you're my friends. All of you are just my friends, you're my family. I wanted to say 10 things probably most people, my friends, family, actually almost all of you don't know about me. Okay, the first one my family knows. Some of you may be wondering, najua mimi ni mkubwa, but I'm called Toto Dolly. Someone will be like, Mona kanaitwa Toto Dolly. So Toto has a very impressive background story. Whereby mimi nikiwa mdogo nilikuwa nicknamewa Toto. I used to be called Toto by almost everybody. My family, my neighbors, my relatives. Alafu nilikuwa na jam. If anyone, literally anyone angenita Toto, tunge wrestle. I was always mad at anyone calling me Toto. So by the time I grow, hiyo jina Toto ika disappear cause I made it disappear. I used to feel ni kama mbona sawa nanita Toto. Nilikuwa na feel ni kama ni insult. But after growing up, nikakumbuka there's a name I used to be called and I used to hate it, but right now I think I just love it. It brings back those childhood memories that you'll always fancy as you age. So nikaileta back. And then Dolly, I'm called Dolphin. So nikachukua short form ya Dolphin to Dolly. Sasa Dolly. So nikaika Toto Dolly and it just became my name and it may stick. Everyone just calls me Toto Dolly, and it's something I fancy. Another thing that people don't know about me, damn, am I ready to say this? I don't like hugging people. I feel totally pissed off.
Why?
I don't like hugging people. I don't know why. People love hugging people. They say it's like a comfort, a shoulder to lean on, wherever. But I hate hugs. Definitely, I hate hugs. I can't explain the reason as to why, but I'm sorry guys. But when you meet me somewhere, don't hug me.
Shake my hand.
Just hi and I'll appreciate, but don't hug me. I feel pissed off. I can't let you know, but I don't like hugs. I just feel bad. And then another thing, I know my brother loves these. I hate horror movies. Anything that I don't know why people love those movies, by the way. Imagine watching a horror movie an hour before bed and then you expect to have peaceful night. How? I'll end up having nightmares. Not even nightmares. It just keeps on reoccurring on my mind and I get very uncomfortable. Like I totally hate horror movies or any movie that has fights. like people are fighting, people are killing each other. I just, okay, particularly my type of movies are just drama, romance movies, cartoons, anything that is worth watching, that doesn't have a bad whatever, okay, horror whatever movies. Just don't count me in. Whenever you want to watch a horror movie or an action movie, just cancel my name out of that list. Another thing, I'm always surprised whenever people remember my name. You know, personally, my life, most people know me and I don't know many people. I don't know if you understand that life, whereby you have lots of people knowing who you are, knowing this is Toto Dolly, but at the same time you don't know those people. Actually, my experience comes in terms of football. Most people just know Toto Dolly. Unapita place mtu akozileza sasa Toto Dolly. I'm always surprised. Pia yonanijua, and then I respond poa sana, but in the real sense kwa kilangu nikozileza, who is this? But I can never ask you guys who it is. So most of the time unapata someone has said hi to me today, and then the same person akinipata kesho, unajua, human to human, and I expect sana nimsalimie. But guys, please forgive me for those that think that mi walenga. Believe you me, sikumbukangi watu mostly, sijuangi mbona. But when you get that most people in a particular place know you, and per day ukipita unasalimia watu ka 50, there's no way you expect me to remember all those people. Please, so that next time you find me somewhere, just say hi. And then again, if you find me, just say hi mpaka nikujue. I'll appreciate. Silengangi mtu, because I have one problem. Whenever I walk, siangaliangi juu. Believe you me, those who know me know better. I never look up. My eyes are always focused on the ground, so that nipite tu. So nikipita, someone is like, Dolly uliniona tu ukapita. Sijailenga mtu. Guys, please forgive me, understand my predicament, but I'm always surprised whenever like an individual remembers me. To those that always remember my name and say hi, be blessed. Oh, I love you. Nawapenda sana. And then another thing, by the way, basically I don't think if I have any allergies in my life. Nisikianga mtu akisema niko na allergy ya mayai, niko na allergy blah blah. Okay, I don't know types of allergies, but basically allergy pekee niko nayo ni ya pilipili. I don't like bitter things in my life. Atukukula pilipili ama anything bitter. I just like a soft life. I don't like bitter things. So the only allergy I have ni pilipili, vitu kali kama drinks kali. I just hate. Napenda tu vitu tamtamu kama wine, blah blah blah. My life just goes on. And soda. My favorite food is githeri. Hey guys, my favorite food on earth. I know some of you will be like, my favorite food is pizza, favorite food is burger, blah blah blah. But for me, it's githeri. My friend, take me on a date yenye mama mboga huko kwa kibandaski penye wanaonda githeri. I'll never forget that kind of date. But unanipeleka places zingine hata siwezi soma menu vizuri, it's not a date for me. I'm sorry. And then another thing, I never wear a watch. I see my friends, most people wearing watches. I don't think if I have ever in my life worn a watch on my wrist. Sidani, I don't think so. Hi, I know my brother keeps on telling me, sis, please just like this, but believe you me, I don't like cats. I hate cats. Those things. I can't believe that I grew up in a house that had cats when I was young, but it was always a phobia. I always had a phobia whenever kwanza kittens. Damn, those things just tickle me. They just my I don't know what I can even describe it, but I I don't like cats. I can live with a dog, a puppy, whatever, but you can never live with a cat in the same building. Acha tu ningangane na hizo panya, lakini kuishi na paka, never. Finally, I don't believe in girl-to-girl friendships. Ati bestie, ati baby girl, wanaitanangaje, madam, babes, baby girl, love, madam. Miss Jaya mini friendships za madam. I'm a girl, but I'll prefer boy friendships over girl friendships. Hey, madam, tunasemanga si ni manyoks. My friend, ogopa tu madam. Kawe ni dem, ogopa madam. Hata mimi unaweza niogopa. Lakini my friend, just if at all you can be able to make guy friendships in your life, just stick with them. Avoid, and in bold, avoid, in capital, avoid girl friendships. If at all when you dem na uko na rafiki dem mwenye ako worth it, keep that friendship. But pia ukiona kuna red flags hapo, my friend, jipende. Mliona Kenya mwingine alifanyiwa juzi the Jaluo lady Achieng whatever. I don't know, but madam, ogopeni madam. Just create better friendships. Anyway, nimemaliza in a very wrong note, but it's my belief, it's who I am, it's what I am. And do you think you can be my friend after realizing who I am? Because that is me, and I will really appreciate being your friend and always coming back to watch me. I'll always be bringing better content. Hii ilikuwa ya kwanzia tu. I know it's not that perfect, but you guys will love it. Thank you for listening to me. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Bye. Adios.